Happy Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with some projects, tech projects that I did on my channel with Miss Zena and Mrs. Gigi, which was yesterday, or by the time y'all get this, it'll probably be Saturday. By the time y'all see this, I'm not sure. But we did these on April 8th, 2021. And what I done was I just went the way I wanted. I did a shabby chic tag here, which I used some trim that came in Happy Mail. Almost everything here is from Happy Mail. I will let y'all know what is and what isn't. This trim here I had in my stash. The trim at the bottom. This fabric here came from Happy Mail. This I purchased from DC Scrap and Rooster. Also, this was from DC Scrap and Rooster. And this is my finished product on that one. Then I did a steampunk. This is my shabby chic. Oh, and I forgot. The ribbon here is from Happy Meal. And this here is also from Happy Meal. Okay. Now, I'm only using what I have in my room. So, I decided to go with a steampunk one. Also, the paper's from Tim Holtz. Paper pad, and I will link the name down below in the description box. I used a key, some gears, and a chain. The chain I had, the gears I purchased from, I believe, Amazon, and the key I had. So that's tag number 2. Tag number 3 is Shabby Chic meets steampunk. So what I done is I took the fabric from here and I laid it under the lace fabric that looks like this. Whoops, not that. Oh my goodness, it won't come off. That's this fabric on top. Okay. Now, the chain I had in my stash, the gears here, there's 3 gears, is all layered up. Okay. And I had that in my stash. The lace here, the lace trim here, I had in my stash. And this I had in my stash. So the only 2 things that came in Happy Meal was the fabrics. Okay. Now, the color you see up here came in a Happy Meal. And I wanted to try it. It's actually creamy style eyeshadow. But I used it as a distress. And I also did here, if you see the black mark here, it's not, what they call it. It's not a marker. It's actually this, body paint, body and face paint that came in Happy Meal. So, I'm trying different things. I also have it a little on the key, but you can't see it too well on the key. I have it on the gears a little to kind of rust up or make it look like it's been weathered. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all. I took a little bit of the black body paint on from my palette here and put it on my finger, and all I did was this to make it look a little, you know, worn or whatever. And it's a wax based paint. It is, I think, water based. So that's that tag. So I have a shabby chic, a steampunk, and a shabby chic meets steampunk tag. So we have all that. And that's the 3 projects I did. And I will link the channel it was on down below in the description box. So y'all will see what Mrs. Gigi and myself, and I think we had a guest. Yes, we did have a guest, and I think it was Miss Teresa from Cross by Teresa that did projects with us. We just did whatever project we wanted. So it was a free-for-all Thursday. So this is my 3 projects that I did on that day, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So I will say this in closing. If you if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit the big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content or when I go live. Also, be happy, be kind, stay safe out there. Be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all next time in the next video and on the safe side. In the meantime, stay safe out there. Bye bye for now, craft angels.